Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where English becomes fun. Today, you are not just watching a video, you are stepping into a new world. If you listen carefully, this moment could change your life forever. I am here to tell you something special, something that could wake up your heart. Let me ask you, are you happy with your life now? If you died tomorrow, would you feel proud of your life? If you said no, then this is your sign to wake up. Your life will not change by accident. It will not get better by luck. You must choose to change it. Stop making excuses. You have been making excuses for too long. I'm too young. I'm too old. I have no money. I have no time. Listen carefully, excuses are just lies you tell yourself to avoid responsibility. Do you know why most people fail? It is not because of bad luck. It is not because they are not smart. It is because they do not take action. They sit and complain about problems instead of fixing them. Do you think successful people had easy lives? Let me tell you, Oprah Winfrey was born very poor and faced many problems. People said she would not succeed, but she did not listen. She worked hard, stayed focused, and became one of the most powerful people in the world. So, what is stopping you? Only your mind. Imagine the life you can have. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine, you wake up in a beautiful home, the home of your dreams. Outside, there is a luxury car in your driveway. Your parents are smiling because they are happy and safe. You have taken care of them. You gave them the life they wanted for you when they worked hard every day. Now, open your eyes. Does it feel impossible? It's not. This life can happen, but it needs one thing, your strong promise to change. Your habits shape your future. Let's be honest, your habits are making you better or worse. If you spend hours watching Netflix, scrolling Instagram, or playing games, you are throwing away your future. Time is your most precious gift. Every second you waste will never come back. What is the difference between successful and unsuccessful people? Successful people use their time wisely. They read, learn, and work on their dreams while others waste time. Think about your parents. Your mother carried you in her body for 9 months. She lost sleep, health, and dreams to give you life. Your father worked hard day and night to give you food, school, and a future. Now, it is your turn. What are you doing to thank them? Don't you want to see them proud? Don't you want to give them the life they dreamed of? Imagine giving your mother the keys to her dream house. Imagine your father crying happy tears because he never has to work again, because you made it possible. This is not just about money. It's about giving them peace, joy, and pride. Success needs sacrifice. Let me tell you a truth, success is not easy. You must give up some things. It means waking up early when you want to sleep. It means working on your dreams while others are partying. It means saying no to fun and yes to hard work. There's a story of a young man who wanted success. He went to a wise man and asked, "How can I be successful?" The wise man took him to the sea, pushed his head underwater, and held it there. The man fought to breathe. When he came up gasping, the wise man said, "When you want success as badly as you wanted air, then you will succeed. Ask yourself, how badly do you want it? Stay around winners. Look at your friends. Do they lift you up or pull you down? If your friends are lazy and negative, guess what? You will become like them. Success is not only about working hard, it is also about who you are around. Be around people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. If you must leave bad friends, do it. Your future is more important than their opinions. Believe in yourself. This is the most important thing today, you must believe in yourself. No one else can do it for you. The world is full of doubters and haters. They will tell you, you are not good enough, you are not smart enough. Prove them wrong. Believe in your strength. believe you can do great things. Because you really can. Let me tell you about failure. It is not the end, it is just the beginning. Every great person has failed many times. Michael Jordan, one of the best basketball players ever, was cut from his school team. Did he quit? No. He worked harder and became a legend. Failure is a lesson. It is a stepping stone. Accept it. Learn from it. Keep going. Take time for yourself. The world is noisy. Social media, work, and life shout for your time. But when was the last time you sat quietly and asked yourself, what do I really want? Take time to be alone. Spend a few minutes every day in silence. Meditate. Think. Just breathe. This is not wasting time. This is how you refresh your mind. Because if you don't care for yourself, who will? And during this time, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Tell yourself, I am amazing. I am worth it. I can do great things. Plant good thoughts in your mind. Your mind is like a garden. What you plant grows. If you plant fear and doubt, your life will be full of fear. But if you plant hope and belief, your life will be full of success. Say it with me. I am the best. I am unstoppable. I can do anything I want. Write these words down and say them every day. It may feel strange at first, but believe me, your mind will believe what you keep saying. Stop feeding it with I can't and start feeding it with I can. See your dream life. Close your eyes again. Picture your dream life clearly. See yourself doing your dream job. See yourself earning the money you want. Feel the joy of living in your dream house. Imagine traveling the world with the person you love. Now open your eyes. Remember, every big success starts in the mind. If you can see it, you can make it real. But dreaming alone is not enough. You must also take action. Control your mind, control your life. Your mind is very powerful. But if you don't control it, it will control you. Think about this, how many times do bad thoughts fill your mind? Thoughts like, I'm not good enough. I will never succeed. What if I fail? Next time these thoughts come, stop them. Say to yourself, no. I am the boss of my mind. I choose good thoughts. Your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it to think good and strong thoughts, the stronger it becomes. Let me tell you something important right now, you are amazing. You already have everything you need to succeed inside you. The only thing missing is your belief in yourself. Do you want a good job? Yes, you can get it. Do you want to marry someone you love? Yes, you can. Do you want a nice house, travel the world, and live your dreams? Yes, you can do all that. The only person stopping you is you. So move out of your own way. Start believing you deserve success, happiness, and your dreams. Start small, dream big. Big dreams can feel too big. But here's a secret, success comes little by little. Want to get fit? Start with 10 minutes of exercise a day. Want to speak English better? Learn 5 new words a day. Want to save money? Save $10 a week. These small steps look small but grow big over time. Remember, a big journey starts with one small step. Be your own cheerleader. Don't wait for other people to cheer for you. Don't wait for others to believe in you first. Stand in front of a mirror and say, I am proud of myself. I work hard, and I get better every day. I can do this. You don't need anyone's approval to chase your dreams. Be your own biggest fan. Find people who inspire you. Listen to strong speakers. Read good books. Follow people who have reached their dreams. The more positivity you have around you, the more you will grow. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed more than 1,000 times before he made the light bulb. He said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was made through 1,000 steps." Ask yourself every night, what did I do today to reach my dreams? What can I do better tomorrow? Then do it. Because being consistent is the secret to success. While you chase your dreams, remember to feel thankful for what you have. Gratitude changes your heart. It reminds you how far you have come and gives you power to keep moving. Every morning, write down 3 things you are thankful for. Maybe it's your family, your health, or simply waking up to a new day. Now, let's go all in. This is the final piece. If you are still here, I know you are serious about changing your life. Listen carefully, because these words are here to wake you up and give you new energy. Stop settling for average. Why do we accept being average? Average life. Average effort. Average results. Let me ask you, are you here to live a simple life, or are you here to make something amazing? Think about this. Every day, you can choose to stay the same or to grow. Don't just survive, be excellent. Stop saying, "This is good enough." Start saying, "This is just the beginning." Dream big. You want the best car? The best house? The best life? Go get it. Some people will laugh at your dreams, but remember, they will clap later. If you want something great, you must give up something. Be honest, how many hours do you waste talking about useless things? Stop it. Use that time to build yourself. Read books that make you think bigger. Work on your skills every day until you are the best. Spend your time learning, not wasting. Every morning, you choose who you want to become. Are your choices bringing you closer to your dreams? Or pulling you away? Make a promise today. Choose growth over comfort. Choose discipline over laziness. Choose bravery over fear. You think you're giving your best? You can do more. Every time you feel tired, push yourself more. When you think, "I can't," say, "Yes, I can." Here's the truth, growth happens outside your comfort zone. If your dreams don't scare you, they are too small. Take risks. Try new things. It's okay to fail because you are still ahead of those who never tried. And remember, if you are the smartest in your group, you are in the wrong group. Be around people who inspire you and push you to grow. The clock is ticking. Be real, you don't have forever. Stop living like you have unlimited time. Every second you waste is lost forever. Imagine lying in bed at the end of your life. Will you regret not trying? Live today like your time matters, because it does. You are not too young or too old. Stop waiting for the perfect time, it will never come. The best time is now. When you see successful people, do you think they are lucky? No. They worked hard. They sacrificed. You can too. Start asking yourself, why not me? Why can't I be the next success story? Why can't I live my dream life? Why can't I inspire the world? Stop doubting yourself. If others can do it, you can too. Here's something important, you are not your past. It doesn't matter where you come from, how much money you have, or what mistakes you made. Your future is open. Every new day is a chance to start again. You can be stronger, smarter, and better. It starts with your choice. Stop blaming others. Not your boss, your parents, or your situation. You control your future. Take full responsibility for where you are and where you are going. No more excuses. Just action. Let your success make the noise. While others talk, you work. Stay focused. Let your results speak. Remember, the lion doesn't turn around when small dogs bark. Every small win matters. Did you wake up early today? Celebrate. Did you finish something important? Celebrate. Success is built on small steps. Every little win counts. Keep moving forward. Here's a final challenge. Make this personal. Don't just listen. Write down what you will do differently starting today. What habits will you change? What dreams will you chase? You have one life. One chance. Don't waste it. Dream big. Work hard. Never settle for less. The world is waiting for you to shine and inspire others with your journey. Your dream life is waiting, but you must take the first step. Stop making excuses. Stop waiting. Start today. Work hard. Stay focused. Never quit. The road won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. Now go out there and make your dreams real. You are unstoppable.